Hello and welcome to Ben's English Room. I'm Ben, and this is the place where English feels easy, fun, and totally yours. Today we're doing something a little different and very powerful. We're going to speak about one full day in English, from last night to tonight. Morning, afternoon, evening, everything. More than 100 real sentences that you can use tomorrow with any person. Why does this work so well? Because nobody knows your day better than you. No difficult topics. No new words to remember. Just your life in simple English. And when you can talk about your day for 2 to 3 minutes without stopping, you're already fluent in everyday English. Let's start from the end, from last night. Why? Because finishing your day in English is the best way to start the next one. Last night's sentences. Repeat after me slowly. Yesterday I came home at 7:30 in the evening. My dog Leo was super happy to see me. I took off my shoes and said, "What a day!" First, I played with Leo for 10 minutes. Then I made simple dinner, chicken and rice. I ate in front of my laptop and watched one short English video. After dinner, I washed the dishes and listened to music. At 9 p.m., I made a cup of chamomile tea. I sat on the balcony for 15 minutes. It was quiet and nice. I spoke to myself in English. Tomorrow I will wake up early and feel great. Then I took a warm shower and put on comfortable pajamas. I set 2 alarms, 6:45 and 7. I got into bed, read 3 pages of an English book, and fell asleep at 10:30. Perfect! You just spoke about last night in English. See how easy that was? Now let's jump into this morning. Fresh, full of energy, and 100% in English. Morning sentences. Repeat after me slowly and clearly. My alarm rang at 6:45, but I pressed snooze 1 time. At 7 o'clock, Leo jumped on my bed and licked my face. I laughed and said, Okay, I'm awake." I opened the curtains. The sun was already shining. I drank a big glass of water first thing. Then I did 5 minutes of easy stretching on the floor. Leo watched me and copied. He stretched too. I turned on happy music and danced a little in the kitchen. For breakfast, I made my favorite crazy bowl: yogurt, banana, nuts, and honey. I ate on the balcony with Leo next to me. While eating, I repeated 3 English sentences out loud. After breakfast, I stood in front of the mirror and spoke for 1 minute. I told the mirror, "Ben, today will be a great day. You can do everything." It sounds funny, but mirror talk makes my English voice stronger. Then I brushed my teeth and sang an English song. I chose comfortable clothes, gray hoodie and jeans. I packed my backpack, laptop, headphones, water, and Leo's toy. Before leaving, I said to Leo, "Be a good boy. See you later." I locked the door and smiled. New English Day started. Great. That was 19 super real morning sentences. Now, here's my full morning story. Shadow every line. My morning today. This morning, Leo woke me up at 7 with wet kisses. I opened the curtains and let the sunshine in. I drank cold water and did 5 minutes of stretching. Leo copied me. He thinks he's doing yoga too. I made my crazy yogurt bowl and ate it on the balcony. After breakfast, I stood in front of the mirror and spoke English for 1 minute. It felt a bit strange at first, but now I love it. Then I brushed my teeth, put on my favorite hoodie, and packed my bag. I told Leo, "Be good," and left home with a big smile. Perfect. Pause the video now and try to tell your own morning. Even 4 sentences is fantastic. Okay, afternoon is here. Time for work, fun, and more English practice. In my afternoons, I mix creativity with relaxation. Let's go through afternoon sentences. Repeat after me with energy. After lunch, I take Leo for a long walk in the park. We play fetch with his favorite ball. Leo runs fast and makes me laugh. Then I go to my favorite coffee shop. I order a latte and sit by the window. I open my laptop and start working as a freelancer. Today, I wrote 2 emails in English. I checked my schedule and planned the week. Sometimes I call a friend on the phone. We talk about our days, all in English. At 3, I take a 5-minute break. I stand up and do deep breaths. I send a voice message to myself in English. In the message, I say, "Ben, you're doing great today." Voice notes help me practice speaking alone. If it's sunny, I work outside on a bench. I listen to an English podcast while typing. Leo sleeps next to me. He's my best co-worker. Before finishing work, I review what I did. I feel proud of my afternoon. Wonderful! 20 fresh sentences that feel real. Now, shadow my afternoon story. Copy my happy tone. My afternoon today. After lunch, I took Leo to the park for a walk. He chased the ball and made everyone smile. Then we went to the coffee shop, my office away from home. I ordered a latte and worked on my projects. I sent English emails and felt confident. At 3, I sent a voice note to myself. "Keep going, Ben." Leo slept peacefully while I listened to podcasts. The afternoon flew by, productive and fun. Super! Now pause and describe your afternoon. What makes it unique? Use voice notes if you like. Now we're at the evening, the best time to relax, reflect, and wrap up the day in English. My evenings are cozy, with books, tea, and a bit of planning. Evening sentences. Repeat with a calm voice. I come home at 5:30 and hug Leo. He wags his tail like crazy. Pure joy. I change into comfy clothes right away. Then I cook something easy, like salad with cheese. Tonight I'm making veggie stir-fry. I eat at the table, no phone, just thinking. After dinner, I wash up and hum a tune. I take Leo for a short evening walk. We watch the sunset and breathe fresh air. Back home, I make herbal tea with mint. I sit on the couch and read an English comic. Reading helps me learn new funny words. At 9, I do my 3-second English rule. Say 3 things I'm grateful for in English. For example, I'm grateful for Leo, good food, and new English friends. Then I plan tomorrow. Wake up at 7, walk Leo, work smart. I brush my teeth and look in the mirror again. I say, "Good job today, Ben. Sleep well." Lights off at 10. Sweet dreams. Amazing! You've got 18 cozy evening sentences. Now shadow my evening story. Soft and relaxing. My evening today. I got home at 5:30 and Leo jumped with happiness. I changed clothes and cooked a quick stir-fry. I ate slowly, enjoying every bite. Then Leo and I went for a sunset walk. So peaceful. Back home, I sipped mint tea and read my English book. At 9, I said my 3 gratitudes in English. I planned tomorrow and smiled in the mirror. Now it's bedtime. Another great day done. You did it! Over 100 sentences and stories today. For full practice, pause now and do a 1-minute English diary out loud. Tell your whole day, from last night to now. Mix sentences from all parts. Record it if you want. Example: last night I read a book. This morning, Leo woke me. Afternoon in coffee shop. Evening with tea. Go for it. You're ready. You were fantastic today. You spoke real English about real life. With dogs, mirrors, walks, and gratitudes, that's how fluency happens. Keep doing mirror talks, voice notes, and 3-second rules. Your English will shine. Thank you for joining me. You rock. If you enjoyed this and want more fun routines every week, hit like. It motivates me a ton. Subscribe and ring the bell for new episodes. This is Ben's English Room. See you soon. Keep your English alive. Bye for now.